Sans lifestyle here. We're changing out the split system, the condenser and the air handle. It's a 2-ton ream. We already did the pump down. No refrigerant left in there. So I got my helper here. He's disconnecting the unit. And we're waiting on the crane right now. We got a 9:30 crane. What time is it?
9:16.
9:16. I've been in the field for about a year and a half. I'm a technician now. I do installs, service. You know, I'm teaching this guy, trying to get him, make that money. So I came to the service call about 2 days ago, and the system had no refrigerant in there. It's completely empty. So, it's an old unit. It's what year is this? This is a 2005 unit. About 16 years old. So we're gonna change that out today. You guys will see the process. My guy Jeff here, big dog helper. You know what I'm saying? Big vibe. We're gonna get this done.
That ain't me, bro.
He'll drill slow, nigga. One. I did 3. That's bad. That's bum ass. Let's put this up.
Sprint already got that money, boy.
Huh?
Sprint already got that money, boy.
Oh Lord.
Come on. Lift, boy. Let's sprint that, boy. Hey, wait.
Bro, you weak, bro.
Nah, bro, you go.
Don't contend with. The wall don't contend with.
Look how fast that shit go.
Don't forget the filter dryer.
Where the filter dry going? The small one. I'm not doing it.
You are doing the small one.
I'm saying, bro, I'm not doing this.
But after you're doing the
Bro,
small
of course, I know, bro.
Alright, bro. Hurry up.
Man out here wilding, bro.
Brand new condenser, ream, 2-ton. About to get this up and running soon. We gotta change the air handle on the inside too. What you doing?
Checking for the...
Bro, you gotta have this straight and then have it come in at an angle. Alright, we gotta sand this first. We're gonna sand around here. And then I'm gonna do this right quick. And then we'll show you guys how I look after. My liquid line copper. This should fit. Right there. Just like that. It's nice. Low voltage and the high voltage. Our vacuum up here, we're gonna pull a vacuum on the unit. I got my special vacuum hose. We don't run vacuums on our yellow hose. Vacuum so it can pull a better vacuum, a quicker vacuum, a more efficient vacuum. For those of you that want to do AC, man, just know it's a lot of hot days, especially in South Florida. It's no joke, man. Yesterday we were in the attic. How long were we in the attic for? Like 4 hours?
4 hours, yeah.
4 hours non-stop in the attic. Well, me at least.
What you mean you? What was that?
You was standing by the manhole like the whole time. But nah, we both was up there in the attic. Man, all the fiberglass up there, we was changing the duct. It's no joke. Yesterday we were on the beach in Hollandale. Very nice view. Here go our 2 trucks. It's the install truck and our service trucks. Doing our thing right now. Me and Pierre can do. I got these not the holes, the manifold. Dang, my glasses came off. But I got these manifold gauges for about 140, 150. Well, I got the manifold alone for about 150. This vacuum hose with the ball valve was like $30, and then these hoses were like 100. So altogether, like 150, 250. So it's like 280 altogether for these hoses. These are some good manifold gauges. I got this quick vacuum hose here, charging hose, and then my suction liquid line. These are some good gauges. I got my cutoff valves right here. That thing looking good already. All we gotta do now is go install the air handler. We gotta paint the line set. Go install the air handler. We're gonna do that right now. We'll show that footage later on. When we're gonna pull a vacuum, put the cover back on, we're good to go. Looking nice. Alright, so for the hard part,
507.
we're gonna have to pull this down. This little hole. Well, no, we're gonna take this whole cover off, but we're gonna have to uninstall this. It's mounted on the ceiling and change it up. It's gonna be fun. We might not be able to record too much because the customer is home. Alright, so I just took the cover off. Now I'm about to disconnect all this electrical. Take the blower motor off. Take the coil out. Loosen it right here with these bolts on both sides. I don't know if you can see that. The bolts right there. Take them out. Bring the new one in. Hook it onto those same bolts. Tighten it. Put the new motor on. Connect the electrical. Solve my drain and we good to go. Easy money. We got the new motor here. That thing's shining. New motor. These the old ones. New coil. Man, drill.
But you using it though.
I'm not using it.
Using it though.
I'm not.
I don't even see where you put the.
My drill.
Well, oh, damn.
My drill's still hooked on, baby.
Yeah, cause that shit no good.
I'll leave that for special occasions.
This shit need a break. She about to die.
We got the new coil here. We're about to run the high voltage right here. I'll show you guys the process. This for the motor, and then the low voltage right here. We're gonna connect all that. We're gonna put a safety switch right here. I'm mounting the unit right now on the wall. Show you. Mounting the unit with these screws right here. These bolts. Recorded from the back, bro.
Come on, bro.
No, bro. Bro, what you been doing all day, bro?
Record.
Bro, next install, you doing all this yourself. It's a good timer. No leaks. No leaks at all. When you close your tanks, make sure to let everything else out. Let the oxygen is settling out, then you can take the chip off. Your helper wraps it up. You know what I'm saying? We trying to record for y'all, but we also trying to get the job done as quick as possible. Alright, right now we're gonna connect the contactor coil. This is the common from the unit, from the transformer, and then we're gonna connect the cool, which is the yellow, from the thermostat. We're gonna connect to the other side of the condenser coil, the contactor coil. And then that will energize the contactor coil to turn on. Now we're gonna connect the safety switch, because all units you gotta connect safety switches to them, man. It's a safety thing to make sure you don't flood nobody's house. So we're gonna connect one side of the safety switch to the 24 volt, and then the other side of the safety switch to the 24 volt going to the thermostat. Now we're going to connect our fan, which is the green wire. Connect our fan. And we're going to connect the white. This white in Florida usually goes usually means heat, unless it's like a heat pump, then it'll usually be like orange or sometimes still white. So the low voltage is now connected. These right here is going to be for the fan, for the fan motor. I already went ahead and connected the high voltage for here. So now I'm going to tape up this ductwork and then hook on the fan. Alright, so we just pulled our vacuum. We had already did a pressure test before, so we know there's no leaks. So now we just did our vacuum. Now we're going to release the refrigerant. As you can see right now, it's blowing really cold. It's like a 17 split.